Well, you can see I've got my hat on, and it's raining, and it's slightly warmer than it was yesterday. There's a cold wind, but right now it's 3.8 degrees or 3.9 degrees, I think. 14.7 during the night, and it was minus 0.9 overnight. We've certainly got some nasty weather now. Yeah, we'll call that 2 millimeters. It's currently raining at the moment. Yes, it's Wednesday the 19th of November. Cows in the field here, and sheep further over in the field. And it's, as I said, it's raining. So, enjoy the day. It's unpleasant.